Okay, today I'm going to introduce you this quick release rear rack plus child seat. What I've done here is, this is an LKLM rear rack. It's a touring grade rear rack, maximum weight capacity of 50 kilograms. It's made of stainless steel, so it's strong and it will not rust. This is a commercially available baby seat or child seat. I've modified it by cutting the legs off and putting my own adjustable legs. It's attached at the bottom by using stainless steel brackets. Okay. Let's go to the bike. Okay, I've made here quick release mounting points for the rear rack, which consists of M5 by 20 mm grub screws, M5 washers, and M5 nuts. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put it on and off in just a few moments. Okay, now you close up. Close up, huh? Okay, now the rack is attached. What I have here are butterfly nuts and washers to secure the rack in place. Put the washer on and the butterfly nut. One mounting point is done. Next one. And you're done, ready to go.